Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photo. In order to begin with, check your internet connection, update your application and log into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your Snapchat account, go to your chat page or maybe go to your after that, tap on the profile icon located in the upper left hand side corner. After that, go to settings and this is going to take you to the settings page. Over here, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find support section. Underneath, you need to go ahead and tap on I need help. As soon as you've done that, it's going to take you to the help center page where you need to scroll down a bit and click on contact us. Now once again, you'll need to submit or select a request. So from here, you'll need to go ahead and tap on I need help with Snapchat feature. After that, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find all of it. So once again, you'll need to be more specific. For that, you need to go ahead and tap on memories. Once again, you'll need to be specific. So for that, you need to go ahead and tap on using My Eyes Only feature. After that, you'll be able to see a statement. So unfortunately, you'll not be able to recover your Snapchat My Eyes Only feature. So basically what you'll have to do is, if you still need help, then tap on yes. After that, you'll be asked to provide in the username, email address and then the description of your issue. So basically provide in the details of your information, and after that go through this catch and click on the submit button and the request will be submitted. After that, you'll have to wait until they get further notified. So that is basically how you can recover your Snapchat My Eyes Only photo. And that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.